Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have the correct replacement battery and tools, because using the wrong pack can damage the speaker. Once you remove the rubber foot, pry gently to expose screws. Use a plastic spudger to avoid scratching the enclosure. Now remove each screw methodically, keep them grouped. As you lift the back cover, watch for ribbon cables and clips. Don't yank. Make sure to document screw locations with a photo, since reassembly depends on restoring each part to its original spot. Once the cover is off, locate the battery and its connector. You must note pad orientation so polarity is correct. Gently pry the battery free from adhesive, work from one edge, apply a little isopropyl if the glue is stubborn. After freeing the pack, unplug the connector by pulling the housing, not the wires, to avoid damage. Connect the new battery the same way, and temporarily reattach the cover enough to power the speaker and test charging and playback before final sealing. This prevents a second teardown. With the new battery confirmed working, realign internal cables and clips so nothing is pinched when you close the case. Reinstall screws in their original holes, snug them evenly, but don't over-tighten, which can strip threads or crack plastic. Replace the rubber base and allow the battery to charge fully, then verify Bluetooth pairing, volume, and button functionality. If you see no power or erratic behavior, reopen and check connector seating and solder joints. Loose connections are the most common fault after a swap.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.